This was the PDF which I uploaded before starting this video session of the business risk. Just have a look at the explanation of this PDF, that what are the things given in this. First of all, business risk is defined as we have already done. The term business risk refers to the possibility of a commercial business making inadequate profits or even losses due to uncertainties. For example, changes in taste, change preference of consumers, strikes, increased competition, changes in government policy, obsolescence. Obsolescence means if any machinery is no more in trend, means a new technology comes, then the older one becomes obsolete. Obsolete means something which is not in fashion or which is not of current use, and this obsolescence word comes from the obsolete itself. Every business organization faces various risk elements while doing business. Business risk implies uncertainty in profits or danger of loss, and the event that could pose a risk due to some unforeseen events in future which causes business to fail. Unforeseen events in future, that is the events which can happen in future which we are not expecting or which we cannot foresee. We cannot have a vision of those events. For example, a company may face different risk in production, risk due to irregular supply of raw materials, machinery breakdown, labor unrest, that is strikes and lockouts, etc. In marketing, these are the happenings which we generally face in production. Now in marketing, what are the things which we may face? Risk may arise due to fluctuation in market prices, that is the prices of our product goes down. Changing trends and fashions, that is the product goes out of the fashion or trend and customers do not have any further interest in our product. Error in sales forecasting, that error sales forecasting means we do expect a certain amount of volume of product to be, that is this much product can be sold out in a certain period, and if due to any reason our sales forecast goes wrong, then obviously it results in losses. So therefore it is also a type of reason for business risk. In addition, there may be loss of assets of the firm due to fire, flood, earthquakes, riots of war and political unrest, which may cause unwanted interruptions in the business operations. These all are the causes of business risk which we have just discussed in the previous video. Thus, business risk may take place in different forms depending upon the nature of a company and its production. Business risk can arise due to the influence by two major risks. The first is internal risk and second is external risk. What are these internal and external risks? The risks which occur due to the events taking place within the organization are called as internal, and the things which happen outside of our organization and they result in our losses, they are called as external risks. Internal risks arise from factors endogenous. Endogenous means which have their genesis internally, which have their birth inside our organization. Human factors, I have just explained you how human factors or our employees can lead us to losses. Technological factors, that is our machineries start malfunctioning or they go out of the fashion or they are obsolete, etc. Physical factors, that is failure of machines, fire or theft if fire occurs or somebody stole something from our organization. Operational factors, access to credit, cost cutting, if we have to do cost cutting or the advertisement costs, if there is a high degree of competition in the market which arises instantly, then obviously we have to invest more and more in our advertising strategies, and due to that we may again face losses. Then there comes external risks. What are external risks? Economic factors, that is the things which happen in market. Those are the pricing pressure, that is due to certain reasons we have to pull down our prices. Natural factors, floods, earthquakes, pandemics, etc. Political factors, that is there may be legal issues or there may be certain instant change of policies related to our industry in which we are involved. Though corporate entities may have an image of risk aversion, they may continue to stake their reputations and indulge in their gambling propensities by sponsoring competitive sports teams. Classification. The business risk is classified into 5 different main types. First is strategic risk. They are the risk associated with the operations of that particular industry. These kind of risk arise from particular industry means the industry to which our business is related. If something happens in that industry, then that is called as strategic risk. First of all, business environment. Buyers and sellers interacting to buy and sell goods and services, that can change. Changes in supply and demand. Supply may be less and demand can also again become less, and we have more and more production and there is no demand in the market. So obviously what we will do, we will have to content with our product, or we will have to sell it on lower prices in order to create more and more demand. Competitive structures, there are more, if more competition comes in the market, then obviously again we will face losses. And introduction of new technologies, that is our existing technology becomes obsolete, that is of no use, and we have to invest again for bringing those new technologies in our organization. Then transaction, assets relocation of mergers and acquisitions. Due to mergers and acquisition, we have to relocate our assets, then that again that relocating cost will obviously affect our profit margin. Spin-offs, alliances and joint ventures. Due to all these things, we do face certain degree of losses. Investor relations, a strategy for communicating with individuals who have invested in the business. Due to any reason, if our communication fails with the investor, that is the people who have invested their money in the business, if due to any reason they get dissatisfied, then obviously they will try hard, they will start liquidifying their investment, and that will again cause losses for our business. Then there are financial risks. These are the risks associated with the financial structure and transaction of the particular industry, that is it is purely related with the money. Operations, operational risk, these are the risks associated with the operational and administrative procedures of the particular industry, that is how that industry is run, what are the legal compliances, what are the rules and regulations for that particular industry. If there are changes, if changes do come instantly and we are not prepared for that, or we have not expected such changes, then obviously we face losses due to those changes, and we are not able to make expected profits. Compliance risk, legal risk, as I've already told you, that is the changes in rules and regulations of the government. Other risk, that is the physical or the outside risk, that is natural disasters and others, depend upon the nature and scale of the industry. Scale of industry means the size of industry, that is if in bigger industries a small change also brings lots of losses, and in smaller industries big changes also account for less losses. So I think business risk types, nature is clear to you all, and still if you have any doubts, you can clarify your doubts in question and answer sessions. Thank you and Jai Hind.